I paid $1,000 to get this truck painted from Maaco. Actually, I paid $1,250, and then at the end, I paid $1,500. Was it a good idea? There she go. Dang. Hoo-wee. Now she just need her final touch. Yeah, that's what she needed. That's what she needed. That's what she needed. I'm finna go get these wheels cleaned up. And then I'm gonna show you how she look. What's up, Tell them gang, it's your boy 2 times, and I just got my 07 Tahoe painted by Maaco. This is a $1,000 paint job. When I got up there, it went to $1,250. And then at the end, it was $1,500. But this is the advertised $1,000 paint job. Yes, it is. This is a truck though, so it's really supposed to be $800, and then they get $1,000. And when I get there, it was $1,250, and then when I left, I ended up paying $1,500. For $1,500, this is what you get from Maaco. Now, I'm gonna show y'all some things wrong with it, but before I do that, I want y'all to see all the work they did. I got a video of me going to check on it before I got it back. Is how I ended up paying $1,500 to get it fixed all together, because I needed them to get some orange peel out of it, because it had a lot of orange peel in the paint, and I didn't like that. So that's what it was. I had to get the orange peel out of the paint. That was another $250 to get it wet sand and buff down so it could be right. Check it out, man. Almost done. Just need to be buffed out. Brand new. New handles. New headlights.
I want to sell it. I've had it for a couple years now.
I don't even want to touch it. I don't want to scrape it up or nothing. That boy do look good though.
Yes, it do. They can clean the wheels up now, everything now.
It look good. So if you can see, the orange peel was real bad on it. The orange peel is that little glare flake you see in it. You can see here's another little spot ass. My dogs think it's time to go pick up my daughter from school. Come here, boy. Come here, girl. Here's a more better look at orange peel. It kind of look like a orange peeling. Like it's like a double glare. You can see it's kind of hard because they kind of get it. If you look at the previous clip, you kind of can tell it's a little orange. It's still a lot of orange peel left. Like there it is. That's a perfect. And you want to check and make sure all this type of stuff is taken care of, because that orange peel is real hard to get out. I got new handles put on them. They try to make it seem like it was a big thing to do. They don't tell you a lot. You know, they don't tell you it's gonna cost you more to get it wet sand and buff, but they know they got a wet sand and buff for paint job, or it's not gonna come out right. So that should have been old. But they don't let you know that before. That's how they get you up with more prices. And if you notice, it looks good because it just got painted, but this car doesn't have a lot of clear coat on it. It maybe got one coat of clear, maybe two. It's not a lot. And they stripped her all the way down to no paint. So I'm gonna clean that up, fix that. He already got it pretty much ready for me to go. Clean the wheels up too. See, I gotta do that side too. Yeah, they play me when they come down to that. I had to repaint that myself. I just did that, call it a day. I'm gonna paint that up too so I can make it better, you know. But yeah, when you see this type of stuff really should be going. They give you this back, they shouldn't have you with these white marks, but of course, for the little money you pay, they try to play you. Paint fingerprints all on the car. I got these changed, and what they did was they painted the car before they changed these out. They should have just took these off. Yo, these door handles should be taken off, and then they paint the car. As you see, like the difference there, how they messed that up. They're supposed to take all this stuff. If they take this off, this would have been nothing there. And then when they paint the car, they put it back on. And then you won't have problems like this on this side, where they try to cover it up. But I caught it. See that? Yep, so that when they put this off, the paint peeled up, and then they just try to fill it in with some black paint. I mean, I want to just look a little bit better anyway, that's why I paid it. But little stuff like that lets you know, what type of work you're getting or gonna be dealing with. So you just make sure you look at all this stuff when you get your car painted. Look at all this type of stuff, especially on black, because everything shows on black. Like that probably gonna come back through. That's not even flush. You see it's still high. There you go, that's a perfect. You can see that perfect now. You can see the pinholes in it. I can feel it. Probably could have did better than that myself. Yeah, that was bad. But at least they got it on here. If you look under the, yeah, book with $1,500 is what you get. $1,000 is the advertised price. So, and this one had a lot of rust on it too, on this tailgate. Right here, they fixed these corners of this tailgate. Both had rusted out, but they did pretty solid on that. I'm not gonna complain too much about that. But these bumpers should have been cut off. You could tell they didn't take the bumpers off because it's like a crease in between that. And you still got bubbles, but it's not bad. This door was really bad. It's not perfect. You see that little how it's not lined up and straight, but it's better. I'm actually selling this car, so it didn't have to be perfect. I just wanted the next person to get it to be happy with it, so they don't gotta do no work with it right now, you know. So you get to ride around with a clean car. I put some rust protectant on instead of regular paint, so you don't have to worry about it. But these are just things you gotta look for. You see that? They should have just took all these out. You could have just went to go buy a kit on Amazon for maybe $20 for all of the emblems. With that new LTZ, would have fit on that flush. You could get you a little ruler, stick it there. That would have been perfect. I should have did it myself. I should have just took all that stuff off. Should have took these off. You know, because they just went over stuff, as you can see in those videos, and they just painted over it. Yeah. Overall, was it worth it? Yes, I would say it was worth it. $1,500 for a full paint job. You can't beat that. I'm pretty handy myself. I know how to do body work. So for me, I mean, all the imperfections, I can more than enough fix it and make it perfect. You probably wouldn't even notice. I could buff this whole car out, wet sand it down even more, and it'll look even better. And that's what I'm gonna do in the next couple of days. Get it all perfect for the person who coming to buy it. So it could be a good car, but they definitely could have used more clear coat, maybe 2 more coats of clear coat, a couple more days, let it cure, then wet sand and get all that orange peel out. Because if you can see in that other video, it was the black is nothing like this. The finish is nothing like this because all that orange peel in there. And they're trying to give it back to me. They was gonna give it back to me like that. See the hood, how the little wrinkles in it. They was gonna give it back to me just like that. I'm like, nah. You see all that orange peel in it. Most people don't know that, but of course I know that, and I've been dealing with them for a long time, so they know how the quality of work I want. Yeah, but I think it was definitely worth $1,000 to $1,500 I spent on it, even though it's so hard to do all this stuff. Like body work is a very hard job, so $1,000 paint job is crazy. $1,000 paint job is crazy. If you're getting a paint job for $1,000, you winning already. I actually did get another Trailblazer painted from them before for $900. I really paid it, and they didn't even do that part, but I didn't care because it really was a crappy car. I just wanted to look a little bit better. I think I paid like $600 for the car, $900 for the paint, maybe put $400-500 in it, and it was on the road. But this, definitely go ahead and get your car painted with Maaco. I mean, hey, it won't get the best paint job, but if you want to go somewhere else and spend $5-6 grand to get this truck would have cost no less than $3,000-4,000 in any other body shop. They would have charged you $3,000-4,000 minimum, and anything less than that, you would have had a worse paint job, and you would have been pretty much getting the same quality for $3,000-4,000. You got to pay $5,000-6,000-7,000 on a truck like this to get that finish that you really want, that new showroom finish. So I'm happy with my paint job. Would I do it again? Yes, but I'll make sure I'm more on certain things that I want done so it could come out a little bit better. That's just me. I would take all of these things off. I'll probably even take the handles off because I know they're gonna paint over them. Now they just cover it up, as y'all can see in that video. And yeah, I'll do it again. I mean, $1,500 to make the car look way better. You know, I buy and sell cars, so I got the car for a good price. Put $1,500 in it. I did the rest of the work myself. Put it together and you sell it, and it makes sense. And then the customer's happy too because they got a clean car with no rust on it, you know. So all right, y'all, like, comment, subscribe, let me know what y'all think about the paint job. Would you do it, or would you take it somewhere else to spend more money, triple the money, more than what the car worth, and get it painted, or just pay you $1,000-1,500 to have you a nice clean car? And to be honest with you, nobody, the average person would not know this car ever been painted. The average person would not even see any of the stuff that I just pointed out to you. I mean, you car guys and car, you know, guys, you know, mans, you notice, but you know, the lady you pick up won't notice. Your auntie won't notice. I don't know if type of people will even notice. I had to literally point it out to my lady and show her the flaws on it. She was like, dang, it looked perfect. You know, I had to point it out to her. So, all right, y'all, it's your boy 2 Times. I'll see y'all in another video.